Jai Swaminarayan students. I am Ms. Jinal Desai and I will be your computer teacher for this year. Let us start with chapter number 1, that is log on to MS Access. In earlier days, computers were used only for mathematical calculations like adding, subtracting, dividing, multiplying. But today, the computers are used to store data permanently, right, which can be used for further process also. We can store data in the form of text or Word documents or Excel workbook also. Database and its needs. First of all, let us see what is a database. A database, it is a collection of data that could be easily arranged in a way to give out a desired result. Its uses are, it is used to store huge amount of data. You can store a large amount of data in a database. For example, you can store all the details of all the students studying in our school. You can retrieve specific amount of data and it manages a very large amount of data. Next we have is fields and records. Okay, what are fields and records? Let us see first field. A field, it is a column in a table, right? You can see a table on the screen. We have a table, right? So the columns in a table that stores the same type of information is called a field. For example, you can see this Ram, Kiran and Madhu, right? So this name, the name box, right, the name column, it stores the same type of information. That means it stores only the names. So that name, it is called a field, right? Okay, then record. A collection of field, it makes one record. It stores all the information about a single object, right? It is at the example, it is given name, address, contact number, right, of a single person. That is called a record. Next we have is database model. Database model, it is a type of data model which shows the manner in which data can be stored or organized or it can be changed. There are 4 types of database model: hierarchical model, relational model, network model, and object oriented model. Okay, in our standard, right, in our book, we need to learn only the names. In detail, you will be studying it in further standards, so we'll not go in detail this time. Okay, suppose let us see some relational database. As you can see, let us take an example, a list of students registered for different courses, right? That is arranged in this 2 tables. See, in the students table, in students table, registration number, it is called a primary key, right? And in the course table, course number is the primary key, right? The course number field in the students table is called the foreign key of the students table, and it is related to the course number field of the course table. This is called a database model. Next we have is DBMS, that is database management system. Now what is DBMS? DBMS, it is a software which helps to create or manage a database, right? It works based on one of the database models. It may work on hierarchical model or a network model or relational or object oriented model. It can work on any of the model. Next we have is RDBMS, that is Relational Database Management System. Now, what is RDBMS? RDBMS, it is a database management system software that implements the relational model. There are many RDBMS software available like MS Access, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server. These all are called your relational database management system. Rest of the lesson we will continue in the next session, students. Jai Swaminarayan.